My name's Ben. I started board riding development 4 years ago. We provide extreme sports. Our main focus on mountain boarding, which is like off-road skateboarding. You know, there was an opportunity to start a business. It's something I'd always felt that I needed to do, was to work for myself, have the freedom of it as well, and the responsibility, was quite a big thing for me as well. And then I saw, a niche for this sport in this area. We've got an abundance of natural terrain around us, but no facilities for people to train at. After I graduated, I looked into funding. I got in touch with commercial services at the university. They put me onto the Spin Out Award, and from that I gained Welsh Government funding for an interest-free loan and a grant towards marketing, which helped me get my website done, sticker up the truck, get some leaflets done, things like that, so that all my energy and focus could go on the business. And without them, I wouldn't be anywhere near the stage I am with my business now. Why Wales? A few motivations. Beautiful days like this, sunny days. We get 1 or 2 a year, which is nice. But yeah, the outdoors, the people, the environment. It's got everything I need here. We've got lovely surf, lovely beaches. I meet new people every day. There is, a freedom with running your business here as well. It's quite a nice way to live, I find. The network of friends I've got that have got other businesses, we've got tight bonds now. We work together in collaboration and make some money together, which is good. To start with, it was my own self-confidence, the fact that I'd made something, I'd created something, and it made me feel good about myself. To see other people having fun and having lessons, to see money coming through and me making money and being able to support myself. But as the years have gone on now, it's more I like passing that on to people. I've got a couple of instructors now that I've seen come up over the last few years who are really strong and good at their jobs now, and seeing how they can take the torch a little bit and move forward. That's, I get a lot of motivation from that as well. And over the last 2 years, maybe it's moved on to helping other people start their own business. I've had 2 of my friends set up their own businesses that have been running a year now, and watching them and helping them has really given a lot back to me, I think. I'd say give it a go. You've got nothing to lose by doing it. You'll probably gain a lot more skills as well in areas you wouldn't foresee.